Asma from News TV. I want to convey the news about the DKJ law passed by President Joko Widodo. The DKJ law was ratified by Jokowi. Jakarta is still the capital of the Republic of Indonesia until there is presidential decree on the transfer to IKN. Jakarta's News TV. Jakarta still the capital of Indonesia, even though Law UU number 2 of 2024 concerning the special region province of DKJ of Jakarta or DKJ has been officially signed by President Joko Widodo on April 24 and 2024. This is stated in Article 63 of Law Number 2 of 2024 concerning DKJ as reported by the official copy of the region on Monday. Article 63 read, when this law is officially promulgated, the special capital region province of Jakarta will remain as the capital city of unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia until the presidential decree regarding the transfer of the capital city of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia from the special capital region province of Jakarta to the capital city of the archipelago or IKN. In accordance with statutory provisions, then in Article 6.5 it is explained that the special capital region of Jakarta currently remains the capital of the special region of Jakarta province until changes are made according to Law Number 2 of 2024. Then, explained in the law, the implementation of scanning the country's capital will be carried out in stage. The administration of government and state affairs, including the domicile of state institutions and other organizations, and their supporting equipment, which based on the provisions of statutory regulation are domiciled in the national capital, can still be carried out or domiciled in Jakarta. In accordance with the state set out the presidential regulation which regulates the detail of the IKN master plan. Meanwhile, Article 2 of Law Number 2 of 2024 explains that with this regulation, the special capital region of Jakarta province has been renamed the special region province of Jakarta. Then, later the capital of the special region of Jakarta province will be determined by government regulation or PP. Apart from that, it was also explained the Jakarta special region province is a autonomous region the province level. The Jakarta Special Region Province has a position as the center of the national economy and a global city. As the center of the national economy and global city, the Jakarta Special Region function as trade center, center for financial service, and service activity, as well as a center for national, regional, and global business activity. It was further explained that the provincial government of the special region of Jakarta, led by a governor who is assisted by a deputy governor who is directly elected through the election of regional head and deputy regional heads. That's my information about Jakarta, and good night.
Dewan Perwakilan Rakyat Republik Indonesia (DPR RI) resmi mengesahkan rancangan undang-undang tentang Provinsi Daerah Khusus Jakarta (RUU DKJ) menjadi undang-undang. Pengesahan diambil dalam agenda pengambilan keputusan tingkat 2 Rapat Paripurna Masa Persidangan 5 tahun sidang 2023 hingga 2024 Kamis 28 Maret 2024. Ketua DPR RI Puan Maharani menyebut pengesahan RUU DKJ menjadi undang-undang sudah menjadi amanat undang-undang setelah dibahas oleh Badan Legislatif dengan melibatkan berbagai pihak. Dari 9 fraksi yang ada di DPR, 8 fraksi menyetujui pengesahan RUU DKJ menjadi undang-undang, kecuali PKS. PKS menolak karena menilai pembahasan RUU DKJ terlalu terburu-buru. Jakarta sebagai daerah khusus mempunyai kekhususan dalam menyelenggarakan pemerintahan terkait pelaksanaan fungsi sebagai pusat perekonomian nasional dan kota global. Terdapat 15 kewenangan khusus bagi daerah khusus Jakarta sesuai undang-undang tersebut, yaitu pekerjaan umum dan penataan ruang, perumahan rakyat dan kawasan permukiman, penanaman modal, perhubungan, lingkungan hidup, perindustrian, pariwisata dan ekonomi kreatif, perdagangan, pendidikan, kesehatan, kebudayaan, pengendalian penduduk dan keluarga berencana, administrasi kependudukan dan pencatatan sipil, kelautan dan perikanan, dan ketenaga kerjaan.